Last-minute bookings can leave you unprepared for important meetings or appointments. With minimum scheduling notice, you can require a buffer between the booking time and the appointment itself. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use minimum scheduling notice in Jotform Appointments to make sure every meeting is scheduled with enough time to prepare. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform Form Builder and create a new form. Click on the plus icon to open the Form Elements panel. From the Form Elements panel on the left, drag and drop the appointment element into your form. Click on the appointment field to activate it. Then select the gear icon to open the Appointment Properties panel. Open Appointment Properties to configure how appointment bookings work in your form. Switch to the Limits tab to control when and how users can schedule appointments. Use Start and End Date to define the time range during which appointments can be booked. Users will only be able to select dates within the period. You can also configure additional limits. Use rolling days to allow bookings only within a specific number of days in the future. Use vacation and holidays to block dates where appointments should not be available. To prevent overbooking, you can set maximum appointments per day. Then, configure minimum scheduling notice to require a buffer before an appointment can be scheduled. For example, setting it to 3 hours prevents users from booking appointments less than 3 hours in advance. Once you're done with the setup, toggle Preview at the top of the builder to test the appointment form. And that's how you use minimum scheduling notice in Jotform Appointments. Create booking buffers and make sure every appointment is scheduled with enough time to prepare. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.